Scrapbookers, this is Megan. I am back today with my very first video for 2025. I'm so super excited. It's a new year, a new just restart to everything, and I kind of feel like this year I really needed a refresh. So be on the lookout for goals and kind of life update video from me. I have a lot of exciting news to share with you guys. If you don't follow me on like Instagram, you probably don't know a couple of things that are going on, and they're really exciting. So yes, with that being said, today I am going to be sharing a scrapbooking store kit layout. And I took a break in December from the kit club just because I haven't had a whole lot of time, and I've been kind of not keeping up with all of my scrapbooking duties as a designer for the kit club. And so I am back to it today, this month, and I'm so excited. I got my kit today, literally like 2 hours ago. I got home and I immediately tore into my kit because I was like, oh my God, I need to look at this kit in person. I saw the photos of it online on Instagram and Facebook, and I'm just, yeah, drilling all over it. So without further ado, this is the Scrapbooking Store January 2025 kit, and it is from Simple Stories. Sorry if you can see that. The lighting is kind of hard to work with in my bedroom. It's not the greatest. And we are working with the 12 by 12 collection kit called Winter Wonder. And I have never used this kit before. I have not seen this one. It looks like this was from 2023. So this was last year's winter collection. Not sure that it was Christmas. I think it was just a winter collection. Okay, so this is the first paper. It is called Winter Wonder, and it's some cute snowmen / snow women. Then it's got some phrases on the background. You can see here it says, snow fun, snowy days, want to build a snowman, magic winter, hello winter, dashing through the snow, cozy, snow cold, let's snuggle, walking in a winter wonderland, hot cocoa, hello winter, just lots of fun little phrases. So I like that. With those types of papers, I really like to cut them out. I've done it in the past where I just cut out words as I need them. It would also be fun to kind of use this as a border along the inside or the outside of a layout. That might be kind of fun to do that too. Then we have Snow Happy. Oh, that last paper was not called Winter Wonder. Silly me, that's the collection. This one's called Burr Burr Burr. Then we have Snow Happy. I love a good snowflake paper. This one's really pretty. It's a different color. It's like a dark. It's kind of black, it looks like. I wonder if they meant it to be that dark. I mean, obviously they did. I've never seen a dark paper like that. Usually it's like light blue or kind of navy or, you know, turquoise. And then we have this pretty diagonal stripe. I love that side. This one is called Chill Out. I love polka dots. I also love diagonal. With the dark background though, I kind of feel like this is doing things to my eyes. So I probably will stick with this paper. Then we have Sparkle Season. This is interesting. To have a floral in a Christmas winter collection, that is really interesting. And then on the back it says Burr over and over and over again. I love that. This one is Chilly and Happy. Love this. Absolutely love. Ooh, this is going to be a hard piece of paper to give up though. I love this side as well. But honestly, I'm probably going to use this side. I guess we'll see what wins out in the end. Then we have Comfy Cozy and cuddly. Ooh, that's a pretty gingham. Definitely going to use that side. Then we have Snuggle Up. And that's a really pretty kind of reddish orange. I really love the colors in this collection. They're all super fun. They're muted enough that I don't hate like the orange, the reddish orange. I'm not a huge reddish orange person, so I love all of these. I think I'm totally going to cut this out and use all of these on a layout. And then we have the 3x4s with some extra sizes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 different sizes on here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 6 different sizes. I don't know. I can't count. And then, ooh, we have a pretty diagonal / gingham on there. That's a pretty color too, the green. Then we have more 3x4 cards. The flowers, that is just so odd. Because I feel like even in places that are warm during the summer, it's winter time. Like there's not supposed to be flowers. So that is just an interesting add-on. Ooh, I really love this. But again, flowers in the winter time, I don't know. It's kind of weird to me. What do you guys think about that? I love all of these. I think I'm totally going to cut all of these out. I might leave maybe like one section because I also love that. That's going to be hard. That's the hard part about only getting one piece of paper in the kit instead of 2. Usually I think these kits come with 2. Okay, then this one is just 4x6 elements. I really, really love that. And then there's this nice plaid on the back. I think I'm going to cut up these. I don't know. Like, I love the Let It Snow. I love this one. Super cute. I don't know. That's going to be a hard one, too, because I really love that pattern. And then, last but definitely not least, this is the main kit that I'm showing you right now. This is the 12x12 stickers. And they are so stinking cute. Like, I am so excited to use these. Cannot wait. Okay, now we are going to jump to the upgrade kit. So the way this kit club works is that you buy the monthly kit and then you add on, if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade to the add-on kit. And oftentimes it's just accents or embellishments. There's not always an alphabet, which I kind of like because I kind of get overwhelmed with alphabets or alpha stickers. So it's kind of nice to shake it up. So the first one is called Sticko, and it's just a bunch of foiled snowflakes. Then we have these Simple Story chipboard frames from this same collection called Winter Wonderland, and those are so super cute. Look at those. So fun. And then we have these chipboard accents from Cartabella, and that just kind of makes the kit complete. So that is the whole kit for the month of January. Just kind of stick these in here on top. And I am super excited to start creating with this kit. I have a crop that I am going to this weekend, so I think I'm totally gonna do like knock out like 3 layouts from, you know, Christmas or winter or something. So I'm super excited to come back and have some layouts for you. I really hope that I can get a setup going at the table. And I apologize, of course the dogs are barking when I'm doing a voiceover. Hopefully you guys can't hear it very well. But thanks so much for watching. I hope that you guys are doing well in this new year and that 2025 will bring everybody just wonderfulness. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!